Moroccan chicken tagine with couscous is one of the most beloved classic dish of the Moroccan cuisine. This recipe is delicious, easy, and only takes 30 minutes. As a bonus, you will even learn how to plate the best looking chicken tagine to make the whole thing spectacular. So let's jump into it. Add 2 teaspoons or 5 grams of paprika, 1 teaspoon or 2 grams of cumin, 1 teaspoon or 2.6 grams of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon or 6 grams of salt, 3 tablespoons or 40 grams of olive oil. Here's a pro tip for you. Usually when you measure honey, a lot of it will stay in your measuring utensil, but not anymore. Simply coat your utensil with oil. Here I'm using avocado oil, and your honey will glide out of your measuring device, leaving you with the perfect amount of honey every time. Add 3 tablespoons or 135 grams of honey. Mix everything together until fully combined. Add your 6 pieces of chicken thighs with bones and skin for extra flavor. Coat your pieces of chicken in your tagine sauce. You can cover it and leave it for 1 to 2 hours in the fridge, but you can also prepare it immediately. Cover a sheet pan with parchment paper or with aluminum foil for an easy cleanup. Add half a cup or 90 grams of pitted olives, a large onion cut in wedges. Place the onions on the baking sheet. Add 10 cloves of garlic. Place your marinated chicken on your cooking sheet. Add 2 to 3 small preserved lemons or 1 fresh lemon cut in wedges. Mix your carrots in the rest of the sauce of your chicken tagine and place them on your baking tray. With the sauce that is left, baste every piece of chicken. This sauce is delicious. Let your Moroccan chicken tagine with preserved lemons bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. You don't need the couscous maker to make the best couscous anymore. Here's the best way. Take 500 grams or 2 cups and 3/4 of couscous or wheat semolina, 3 tablespoons or 40 grams of olive oil, 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt, and of course adjust to taste. You can use a spoon to mix everything together, but you're going to see it's not very efficient. The best way is to rub your couscous between your hands so every piece of couscous will be coated with the oil and salt mixture. Add 1 large tablespoon or 14 grams of lemon juice. Then mix everything together. Add 800 grams or 3 1/3 cups of boiling water. The water should cover the top of the couscous. Mix everything together, then cover and let the couscous stand for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once that the time is over, uncover your couscous and fluff your couscous with a fork. You can see how all the grains are beautifully separated. When your kitchen smells like heaven, then your chicken is ready. Baste your chicken with the cooking juice. It's time to plate your Moroccan chicken tagine with couscous. First, add your couscous to the serving plate. Make sure to shape it as a small mound. Smooth the top with your spatula. Add the biggest to the smallest elements of your plate. Start with your pieces of chicken. Place them strategically, leaving an equal space between them. Add your onion wedges between your pieces of chicken. Place your carrots, and a pro tip is to place the same amount of carrots per space. Then add your olives. I like to add 3 olives between each chicken pieces. Then add your central carrot and add your preserved lemons wedge to form a flower. Enjoy this amazingly easy and mess-free Moroccan chicken tagine with couscous, all this in 30 minutes, which is perfect for any Shabbat dinner meal and recipe. If you were here until the end, please write in the comment, "You're not alone," so I know you were here with me. Thank you for being here. It means the world to me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it helps us grow and reach more and more people who, just like you, want to lead a more meaningful yet simplified Jewish life. I would like to encourage you to watch these 2 videos as a follow-up. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to frum it up.